Okay guys, so we are going to complete numbers 1 through 3 of page 182 of your student journal, and we're going to do numbers 5 through 6. These are the big ideal math problems. I'm just showing you how to work them out. Okay, it says in exercises 1 through 3, DE is a mid-segment of triangle ABC. Find the value of X. So if you look here, this is triangle ABC. And it says this line segment right here, DE, is a mid-segment. So if this is a mid-segment, it means that it goes through the it goes through the midpoint of line segment AB and line segment AC. So that means that this value up here is half of this value down here. So we're going to say X should be 28 divided by 2. So that means X equals 14. Alright, so the next one, we have the same situation. This is the mid segment right here, and in order to get this X down here, all you need to do is double this one to get this down here. So X equals 15 times 2, so X equals 30. So if we go here, this is the mid segment right here, so that means DE is the mid segment, so these black dots are called midpoints. So if this is 9, then this up here is also 9. So in this one, X is equal to 9. Alright, let's keep going. It says, what is the perimeter of triangle DEF? Well, I'm going to go and do something. I'm going to highlight this side, and then I'm going to highlight the side that's parallel to it. So here, 45 divided by, if this whole thing is 45, that means this point right here is a midpoint, so these two should be equal to each other. So to get these yellow lines, 45 divided into 2 should be, give me a second, let me find a calculator. So we're going to say 45 divided by 2 is 22.5, so that means this is 22.5, this is 22.5, and this other yellow line is 22.5. And we want to find the perimeter of the inside triangle. So we got to find all the sides first. I'm going to go and highlight this side and the side that's parallel to it. So if this side, the whole thing is 13, then each one of these pieces should be 6.5. This is 6.5, this is 6.5, and this right here has to be 6.5 also. Hold on, I'm going to move it to the outside so I don't confuse you guys with angles. This is 6.5. Okay, and then I'm going to go and highlight this red part right here, this red, and the side that's parallel is right here. So if this whole thing is 38, then I need to split 38 into 2 equal pieces. Let's grab the calculator. So 38 divided by 2 equals 19. So this is 19, this is 19, and the side that's parallel to it is 19. So now all I need to do in order to find the perimeter of this triangle, I need to add all the sides together. So of the triangle in the middle. So P is 19 plus 22.5 plus 6.5. And let's grab the calculator again. So we get 19 plus 22.5 plus 6.5, and it's 48. So the perimeter, P, equals 48. And we're done with that problem. Okay? Let's go to number 6. It says, in the diagram, DE is a mid-segment of triangle ABC, and FG is a mid-segment of triangle ADE. Find FG. So it wants us to find this. Well, it gave us a lot of information. It says this is the mid-segment of the yellow triangle. So that means this yellow triangle right here, that red line is the mid-segment. So I'm going to use my Midsegment Theorem, so I know this piece right here should be broken up into 2 pieces, so I could put a red piece right here and another red piece right here, and I can call this the midpoint. And all I have to do is split 52 into 2 equal pieces, and then I'll see what those red pieces are. And this is 26, this is 26, so that means this little red piece up here is 26. Now, if I go and highlight this other little triangle right here, now I need this light blue piece is the mid-segment of that triangle. So that means that I need to split this into 2 light blue pieces too. And right there in black would be the midpoint. So I'm going to say 26 divided by 2 equals 13. So each little piece right here is 13. So that means these blue pieces are 13. So that means FG equals 13. And we're finished, babies. Was that it? Yep, that is it. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Bye.